The purpose of this talk is to answer two questions. What is mapping? What is function? Take this definition. A set is said to be mapped or transformed to another set if every element of the former set is paired with one and only one element, unique element of the later set. The pairing can be by a definite rule or rules or purely arbitrary. Further, this rule need not be reduced to a mathematical formula. A shift in the meaning of the word function when Euler said function is a mathematical formula. When the rule of unique pairing is definite, then such rule itself is called a function historically. But the most modern definition is such that it takes care of arbitrary pairing also, being the most general case. So, in the classical sense, a function is a rule that maps an entire set to another set by unique pairing. In the modern sense, a function is a set of pairings so that no element of the first set is mapped to different elements of the second set. When we are speaking of mapping or function, some terms are implied. The set that is being mapped is called the domain of mapping or domain of function. The set to which domain is mapped is called codomain of the mapping or codomain of function. When we observe from the definition that the domain is mapped either into or onto the codomain, the meaning of range of mapping becomes clear. Also, we speak of an element of the domain mapped to an element of the codomain or range rather than a set mapped to another set. Besides a set mapped to other sets, another set. We use some symbols to make the writing of mappings easy. The idea of mapping or function is so vital that Felix Klein says function concept is the soul of mathematics. It is also argued that what separates classical mathematics from modern mathematics is the formal recognition and definition of function, as function concept is always present in mathematics at all times in latent form. We can safely say that the concept of function or mapping is the very language of modern mathematics. Thank you.